Adverbs of frequency. How often? What are adverbs? Adverbs can modify verbs, adjectives, adverbs, or sentences. Simply, they tell us how, when, where, or why something happens. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something happens. For example, my dog always sleeps in the afternoon. I sometimes eat salad. My brother never studies. We can think of adverbs of frequency in terms of percentage. How often you do something. 100% equals I do it all the time equals always. 0% I don't do it equals never. Always is 100%, usually 90%, often 70%, sometimes 50%, occasionally 30%, not often or seldom 20%, rarely 5%, never 0%. These adverbs of frequency we use between the subject and the verb. Subject, adverb, verb. I always eat bread. I never play golf. I always brush my teeth. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. I often watch TV at night. I sometimes read a book. I occasionally go to the doctor. I don't often eat fast food. Or, I seldom eat fast food. I rarely go to the cinema. I never go skydiving. To answer how often, we also use adverbs of definite frequency. For example, every day. I eat breakfast every day. These adverbs of definite frequency we usually use after the verb. Subject, verb plus adverb. I eat bread every day. I play tennis once a month. Other examples. Once a day, once a week, once a month, once a year. Twice a day, twice a week, twice a month, twice a year. 3 times a day, 3 times a week, 3 times a month, 3 times a year. 4 times a day, 4 times a week, 4 times a month, 4 times a year. How often do you brush your teeth? We brush our teeth twice a day. How often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. How often do you go shopping? I go shopping every day. How often do you go swimming? I go swimming once a month. How about you? How often do you take a bath? How often do you cook? How often do you brush your teeth? How often do you go shopping? How often do you go swimming? How often do you exercise? How often do you go to the cinema? How often do you go skydiving? often do you watch YouTube?